unit mensuration. Here, trapezium. A quadrilateral in which any one pair of opposite sides are parallel is called a trapezium. Here, parallel sides are known as A and P, while distance between them, that is called altitude, is h. Area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into altitude, 1 by 2 into A plus B into h, area of trapezium. Now worksheet 1. Question number 1. Find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 57 cm and 33 cm and distance between them is 13 cm. It is given length of parallel sides A is equal to 57 cm, B is equal to 33 cm and distance between them h is equal to 13 cm. Area is equal to how much? We have area of trapezium A. Area of trapezium A is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into h. Putting value of A, B and h we get, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 57 plus 33 into 13 square centimeter. Area, unit square centimeter. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 19 into 13 centimeter square. That is equal to 45 into 13 centimeter square. That is equal to 585 centimeter square. Hence, area of trapezium is 585 centimeter square, whose parallel sides are 13 centimeter, 33 centimeter and 57 centimeter. Altitude between them, perpendicular distance between them is 13 centimeter. Now question number 2. Area of trapezium is 850 square centimeter. One of the parallel side is 64 centimeter and the perpendicular distance between them is 17 centimeter. Find the length of other parallel sides. Here given area of trapezium A is equal to 850 square centimeter. A is equal to, here area, for area we use capital A and for length of parallel sides we use here a small a. So A is equal to 850 square centimeter. The small a is equal to 64 centimeter. Altitude h is equal to 17 centimeter. B is equal to how much? So we have A is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into h, or putting the value of A and h we get 850 is equal to 1 by 2 64 plus B into 17. Multiplying 2 by we get 1700 is equal to 64 plus B into 17. Dividing by 17 we get 1700 divided by 17 is equal to 64 plus B, or 100 minus 64 is equal to B, or B is equal to 36. Hence, other parallel side is 36 centimeter. Question number 3. The area of a trapezium is 1586 centimeter square and sum of parallel sides is 122 centimeter. Find the distance between the parallel sides. Here given A is equal to 1586 centimeter square. Sum of parallel sides A plus B is equal to 122 centimeter. H is equal to how much? So we use direct formula. We have H is equal to 2 into A divided by A plus B, or H is equal to 2 into 1586 divided by 122, or H is equal to 26. Hence, distance between parallel sides is 26 centimeter. Now, question number 4. If the area of a trapezium if the area of a trapezium is 28 meter square and two parallel sides are 8 meter and 60 decimeter respectively, find the altitude of trapezium. Here given A area of trapezium A 28 meter square, parallel sides A is equal to 8 meter and B is equal to 60 decimeter. Convert this unit decimeter into meter, we get B is equal to 6 meter. H is equal to how much? So we have H is equal to 2 into area by sum of parallel side A plus B, or H is equal to 2 into 86 by 6 plus 8, that is equal to 56 by 14 is equal to 4. Hence altitude is equal to 4 meter. Question number 5 just as 4. Same question. Now question number 6. The area of a trapezium is 12 square meter if its height is 3 meter, find the sum of parallel sides. A is equal to 12 square meter, H is equal to 3 meter. Sum of parallel side A plus B is equal to how much? So we have A plus B is equal to 2 into A by H, or A plus B is equal to 2 into 12 by 3, that is equal to 8. Hence, sum of parallel sides is equal to 8 centimeter. Now, 8 meter, not centimeter. 8 meter. Now, question number 7. The area of a trapezium is 248 square meter and its height is 8 meter. If one of the parallel side is smaller than other by 4 meter, find the two parallel sides. A is equal to 248 square meter, H is equal to 8 meter. Here given B is equal to one of the parallel side is smaller 4 meter smaller than other, B is equal to A minus 4. We have A is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. Putting value, we get 248 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B, B for A minus 4, the A minus 4 into 8, or 248 is equal to 2 4 ja 8, 4 into A plus A, 2A minus 4, dividing by 4 we get 62 is equal to 2A minus 4, or taking 4 this side, 62 plus 4, 66 is equal to 2A, or A is equal to 33. Therefore, B is equal to 33 minus 4, 29. Hence, parallel sides are 33 meter and 29 meter. So, thanks.